and welcome back to my channel. My name is Janey. If you are new, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on all social media. So today we are going to be creating our own Christmas ornaments, because this year I've been looking around for a bunch of Christmas ornaments that I have like a vision in my head about, but then I can't find them. So I decided this year for a lot of my Christmas ornaments, I'm just gonna make them myself. So this is gonna be 5 Christmas ornaments DIY ideas for you and your family this Christmas. So for our first DIY, you're gonna need a paper plate, some scissors, a bag of sand, some ribbon, the actual containers that you are going to be using for your ornaments, and some glue. You can use any glue, but I just got all of these items from Dollar Tree. So what you're gonna do is you are going to measure from one side of your ornament all the way around to the next side of your ornament, and then you are going to cut it right here. We're gonna add some glue to the back of this first strip. So we are going to start from that same top that we did when we were measuring, and then just run it all the way around our ornament. All the way around. If you can get clear glue, I would recommend using clear glue because it's so much easier and less messy when you're doing it. So this would be the first strip that we have done. So now we're going to do the same thing going this way. So we're gonna go back, grab our ornament, and do the same thing that we did the first time. I'm going to be mixing some sand on the inside, and then I'm going to be painting around the outside with a bit of slightly transparent red paint. So it is going to cover up the fact that I have used white glue. If you have a mini funnel, I would recommend using that instead, because sometimes this can get messy, and that's the reason why I use like a paper plate beneath it, and I try and use a small hole to do it, just so that if there is any spill, that spill goes into the bottom of the plate. And then here you go, you have one ornament made. But as I said, just because I'm using white glue for this one, I'm gonna come on the outside and I'm going to be using some of this tempera paint just to coat some parts of the outside. So this is one ornament that I will show you guys when it is fully dried. So for our next one, we have our ornaments. We have a green ribbon. We're gonna use some of our red ribbon and the scissors, and that's gonna be it. So you're gonna open your ornament, and you are gonna start making tiny strips of both your red and your green. Okay, I have chopped up a few more pieces, and we are just gonna keep sticking them in until we get to the level that we want it to be. So now we're gonna close the top of our ornament after adding in the exact amount that we needed. And be careful with these ornament tops. And then you shake it around. You can use whatever color you want. I just did the basics of green and red because I think my theme for this year is going to be green, red, and gold. And here you are, another very pretty DIY ornament. So for number 3, we're going to be doing the easiest one, which is you just need some glitter glue along with your ornament. You're going to open it, put at least half the amount of glitter glue that's in it all the way in, fill it all the way up. Make sure that you're shaking it. Fill it up. And then use your finger, instead of closing it to shake, use your finger and shake it all the way up. Try and get that glue to hit all ends of your ornament. If you want, you can put tissue at your finger, on your finger at the top, just so you have something to protect yourself from getting dirty. But I mean, it's just glitter glue. To me, that's not a big deal, but if you really don't want to get your fingers messy, you can always put tissue around it. So here we go with number 3, a very cute gold ornament. So next we are going to be doing a gold one, which will be our ornament, some gold glitter glue, and then some yellow paint. So you're going to start by opening your ornament, adding some glitter glue, just a good amount, and then put your finger over it, or you can put back on the top, and you just want to try and shake it as much as possible. So the more glue you add, I think it's the easiest. So you're gonna add some more glue, and then get your finger, cover it, and shake it. So now the only difference between this one and the last one we made is that we are going to now add some of the yellow paint. So we're going to start with just a little bit, not a lot. Just because it's paint, I'm going to put some tissue over it when I'm doing it with my finger. And then you're going to let it go around and create yourself a yellow/golden new ornament. So you just shake it through. Oh, there, we're missing a little tiny piece there. Shake, 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 and there you go. A perfect yellow and gold ornament. So now for our 5th ornament, we are going to be using some peachy pink glitter, the red tempera plate, and then some of this red sand. So I want to start by putting in some of the red sand. Okay, we don't want to put in too much because we don't want it to be too heavy. So just to coat the bottom. We're now going to add in some of our sprinkles. Because this has this type of opening, that's not going to work for me putting it into the actual tube. So I open it completely. Sprinkle some on the inside. I'm probably gonna use about almost 2/3 of the container of sprinkles. I'm gonna shake it up. That way I'm mixing the sand with the sprinkles. And then our last thing is going to be to add some tempera paint in. So we're gonna add some in. Oop, we made a little mess with the tempera on the outside. You're just gonna wipe that up with some napkin. And then because I don't want to get my hand filled with paint, I'm gonna put some tissue at the top while I shake. And then I'm going to shake around some glitter with some sand with some paint. So I have some parts at the side where it's not really sticking to, so I'm gonna add more paint just to give it a liquid to actually get them wet, and then stick them to the side. So then we shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. And here you go. So I have a bonus ornament left that I didn't plan on having left. So I'm going to use this one, fill it with the rest of this glitter. And then a bunch of gold glitter glue. Oh! A bunch of gold glitter glue. And shake it around a bit. So this is how our bonus looks. It is a pink and gold ornament, but my theme this year is red, gold, and green. So I think I'm going to try adding some of the red. So this is a bonus ornament, so if it doesn't work for me, I'll survive. But I just want to see what would happen with the mixture of all of these colors. Gonna add the tissue back to the top and shake, 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 shake. Let's see if that red can penetrate the wall. So I can only see like tiny bits of the red. So I think I'm gonna add some sand as well. This one right here is really an experiment. Let's just come up with some ideas in our head. So now I just added a slight bit of red sand. We're gonna add a little bit more red glitter glue. We're gonna recover with said tissue, and we're gonna shake. And we're gonna see how much red can come into the midst with this pink and gold ornament. So I hope you guys can see it. There's red, there's pink, there's gold. Very, very pretty. So these are our 6 DIY, well 5 plus bonus DIY ornaments. I hope you guys love them. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on all social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one.